Okay, lesson 59. So we're going to be using some of our log rules. So we know that if we have two terms, log base, the same base, but it's minus, we know we can make that division. Now there's not a log base 2 over here. So now I've got to change it to exponential form. So 2 to 2 equals x plus 4 over x. So of course that's 4. And I'm just going to cross multiply to solve. And I get that x is 4/3. Okay, so let's do this one. So these have the same, they're both log terms and they have the same base, but it's plus, so it's going to be log base 15 of x minus 1 times x minus 3. Now I'm going to end up having to change this to exponential form, so I'm going to go ahead and do that. So it's 15 to the first power is equal to this. Now I need to do FOIL. That's negative 3x and negative 1x is negative 4x, and that's plus 3. Okay, take everything to the same side, so bring the 15 over. So now I can factor it. This is going to be x and x, a 6 and a 2. This one is negative, and that one's positive. When I multiply, I get a negative, and when I add, I get a negative 4. So x is equal to 6 or negative 2, but you can't have a log less than 0. So that one's out. So your answer is just that. Okay? So let's look at this one. So first of all, this 2/3 is going to move over and become an exponent right there. So you have 125 to the 2/3 power. Now I'd go ahead and simplify that. Take the cube root of 125, which is 5, and square it, and you get 25. So this is going to be 25. This is minus, so it's going to be log base 5 of 25 over x plus 3 equals 1. Change it to exponential form. So this is going to be 5 to the first equals 25 over x plus 3. Cross multiply. Don't forget to distribute that. So you get 5x equals 10, so you get x equals 2. Okay? So let's look at this one. So this is minus, so it's going to be log base 2 of x plus 10 over x equals 6. So 2 to the 6th power is equal to x plus 10 over x. So we got to take 2 and take it to the 6th power. And we get 64. And then we're going to cross multiply. So bring the x over and solve. And that's your answer. Okay? Now when you see it in the exponent position, just simplify this part first. So the 5 is still there. This is plus, so it's going to be log base 5 of the square root of 7 times the square root of 5, which is the square root of 35. Since the base and the log base match, the answer is just the exponent, which is that one. Okay, so down here, this becomes 4 to the log base 4. This is plus, so we're multiplying, so we get the square root of 12, right? Those match, so I get the square root of 12. Now I need to simplify that. That's 4 times 3, so that's 2 times the square root of 3. Okay? Hope that helps.